Okie dokies. You remember a couple of videos back I made that video on that butterfly knife or butterfly knife that I found in the garbage, or not the garbage, that yard sale and that sack stuff. Uh, anyway, that's not the best butterfly knife I have. It's not crap, whatever. Um, this butterfly knife I had for quite a few years. I really like it. It's not like not anything fancy. It's just a butterfly knife. It's kind of hard to do that on the camera. Whatever. But yeah, it's made of 440 stainless steel, which is pretty nice. It has a pretty good edge on it. It's pretty thick too. I don't know if you can see that. It's pretty sturdy. You can't see me flipping it. Try to get that on the camera, but whatever. Yeah, this thing I like. It's a little worn out because I do use it quite a bit, or I did use it quite a bit. Now it's sitting on a shelf, and I hardly ever use it. Let me see if I can zoom in on what the hell it says over here. Maybe not. Can you see it? I mean, it doesn't say much. It says, what does it say? 440 stainless, and it says 529 Japan. So whatever. Then on the other side it says Valor. Then below that it says looked like Siki Japan. So I guess the brand is Valor. I guess I know nothing about butterfly knives. I admit that. So yeah, that's pretty much my butterfly knife, or Bailsong. You people call them, I guess. Whatever. Got this years ago from someone. I don't really use it, but I'm never going to really sell it or give it away or anything like that. I just like it. It's pretty nice. Pretty heavy too, which I like. I love heavy blades. This thing weighs at least a pound. I love it. You know, hit somebody in the face with just like that. It works as a fucking Kubaton, I guess. Pretty nice. Anyway, again, just a short video. So that's about it.